This file describes exactly how a light bulb emits light. Architects use it to render realistic lighting. You need an IES viewer to see the photometric web. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here's a free one. Here's a professional insight. For those IES files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. The IES is officially classified under the Comprehensive Data File Architecture. The data serialization is accomplished using Photometric Light Data. An IES file contains photometric data describing the light distribution of a light source. It's used in lighting design and rendering software to accurately simulate the behavior of real-world light fixtures. The file includes information about the intensity of light emitted in different directions, allowing for realistic lighting effects in architectural visualizations and simulations. IES files adhere to a standardized format defined by the Illuminating Engineering Society, IES. They contain ASCII text data specifying the luminous intensity distribution of a light source. The data is typically organized in a series of angles and corresponding candela values, representing the light output at each angle. This data is then used by rendering engines to calculate illumination levels and shadows. To ensure best performance with IES, always start with AGI32 from Lighting Analysts, Inc. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows displays only foundational metadata, so analyzing the content requires dedicated software. We are initiating the compatibility check. Right-click your IES file and choose Open With. Your best bet is AGI32. Test it now. If it's unavailable, select another listed application to check its reading ability. If the IES file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the IES file is refusing to open. First, use lighting software. Open the file using a lighting design or photometric analysis program, e.g., Photometric Toolbox, DIALux, or Revit. Next, open as text. Open the IES file in a text editor, Notepad, to view the raw photometric data, lumens, angles, etc. Finally, check format. If the file fails to load, verify the file contains the required IESNA header and adheres to the standard format. When even your strongest programs can't open the IES file, the need for specialized software is obvious. The next move is to let a high compatibility tool try to handle the heavy lifting. The core value of FileMagick is its resilience. It's built to read the raw contents of an IES file instantly, ignoring any misleading or incorrect extension. Download it at filemagick.com. We finished today's solution. Like and subscribe to be notified about the next video in this series. Keep troubleshooting and don't give up on those tough files.